Welcome to Vlogmas day 12. I just got up and it's like 10. I slept in really late this morning, but it's all rainy and dreary, and I don't know about you, but like I love sleeping to the sound of rain. So opening my blinds, seeing what it looks like out. I wish it was snow and not rain. I think it's supposed to rain. It started raining yesterday, and I think it's supposed to rain like all day and tomorrow. Look, it's like puddling down there. I don't know if you can see that. Real nasty. It's probably like freezing rain too. Advent day 12. Oh, there's a lot in here. So today's actually very exciting because I'm doing a virtual cookie party. So when I was growing up, we did these big caroling parties, and it would be like friends and their whole families would come over. Like it was like a family affair, and Santa would come, and then we'd just go on our cul-de-sac and like carol at our neighbor's house. When I got older, I started doing it just like my friends, and it was like we would decorate cookies, and then that just kind of continued. Like people always were like, when's your cookie party this year? So I even did it throughout college. Like my friends from college came and like would visit for a weekend. I didn't know like if I should do it or not, and I was thinking like, oh, I could like send them, like, I don't know if you guys have seen those cookies in a jar. Basically you have all the dry ingredients, and then they just have to add like butter and eggs or whatever it takes, and then I could send them like cookie cutters. But that was just gonna be way too much work and way too much, like it would have gotten expensive. So I didn't know, and then one of my friends was like, well, you have to have like a virtual thing, like everyone can just get their own stuff. And I was like, okay, yeah, people want to do it, they can get their own stuff, and it's not like they even like really have to bake cookies. They can just hang out. It would be fun if we were like all like baking or decorating or something, but yeah. So I have that at 2. I did it earlier because I don't know if my friend Joanna, who's in Spain, is gonna come, so I wanted to give her a time that is obviously not in the middle of the night for her. Okay, so I just did a TikTok. It was pretty quick. These go by so much faster than the ones where I do like the movie or TV show characters, because I can just quickly do my makeup before and it's less editing, and so they're more fun to make. But I did Delilah, and honestly I kind of struggled with like trying to figure out what her aesthetic would be. But so now I've just changed. I want to start making my cookies because I'm making them from scratch and I don't know what I'm doing, because I just didn't get like the pre-frozen cookies to decorate because I was just slacking. So I'm gonna start that because it is like almost 1, I think. What time is it? 12:40. So I need to get on that, because then I think I'm literally gonna move my computer down to the kitchen because my laptop is useless. So I think that would be the best. Also, my outfit, if you care, I just kind of threw this on. These earrings I always wear are from Urban. This bracelet my friend Gabby gave me from when she studied abroad in London. This necklace I just found, but it's one of those chain necklaces that are really popular, and I had it from, I've never worn it, I just found it. I had it from when I worked at Charming Charlie because they were having a sale on like chokers and they were like basically free. And then this top is from Zara, just basic. And then these jeans are from Topshop, but I got them at Nordstrom Rack and they're very comfy and the bottoms are cute. Okay, so I've never made gingerbread cookies before, but the first thing was I added, looks disgusting right now, a cup of this light brown sugar, a cup of molasses, and then a cup of vegetable shortening. And then it's on medium to low heat, and I just have to wait until this is like all melted. Add tablespoon, remove it from the heat, and then add a tablespoon of baking soda and 1/4 a cup of cold water. Okay, it's nice and melted now, so I'm gonna turn it off. Just added the baking soda and the cold water, and the color totally changed, and it's like sizzling. It's interesting. Okay, and then in this bowl, I just added 1 lightly beaten egg, 1/4 a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves, and then I'm gonna stir that all together. Okay, so I just added in the molasses mixture and it smells so good. And now I need to add 4 cups of flour to this. Okay, well, I'm stupid because I didn't read the directions before all the way through. And it says you have to refrigerate the dough for 2 hours before you roll it out and bake it. So I mixed all the flour together, and it said to roll it into a bowl. I just left it in the bowl. I don't know, it didn't say. And then I covered it. So that is a real bummer because it's 1:30. So that'd be 3:30. Maybe an hour and a half will be fine. But it says minimum 2 hours, up to 24 hours. I should have done this last night. I would have, if I would have known. At least I have what's truly important. Don't worry, I put more in the fridge. Cupcake is done, and Yes Way Rosé is in the fridge.
I don't look.
I want to be in it.
Oh, what? Right now?
Can we
I
do
like.
slash snowboarding? The less
I'll show.
the better.
I'll show my cookies in the vlog.
Okay, go ahead. Here are Morgan's cookies.
These are my thumbprint cookies.
What about
Red
mine?
and green.
Oh, and there's Alex's.
Gorgeous.
Cassie made a grilled cheese.
I already ate it.
The grilled cheese sounds good though.
It slapped.
Here we are.
Are you go skiing, Maddie?
What?
Are you gonna vlog when we go skiing?
Yeah. There's Sarah. Vlog again.
Yeah.
I just keep seeing Maddie's face pop up, but it's not actually. Reporting live from London. Here we have Sarah right now.
You can't really see my reindeer. Alex, that has got to go.
Big fan.
What did I do? What did I do to deserve this? I didn't end up making the gingerbread man, but I pulled out the Trader Joe's Jingle Jangle. You wanna see what it looks like? Ah! Like chocolatey goodness. I got these seltzers, the Bud Light holiday ones, so this one's ginger snap.
Does anybody
Okay.
have double sixes?
Yes.
Oh, you do.
What's your reaction?
So it's sixes, Madeline. I haven't tasted it yet.
I got that in the center. Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What
Not
about you?
bad. Kind of ginger ale-ish.
Yeah.
Tastes like a cookie.
Well, it's Bud's got in the seltzer.
Yeah. Now we got apple crisp. What was your review?
Did you taste it?
Doesn't have a lot of flavor.
Neither did the first one.
No thanks. Don't care for it.
Really? I think it's good.
So was that twos?
Yes.
One.
It tastes like apple pie.
I had double ones.
Like
last
apple
time.
and cinnamon.
Oh yeah.
I've had game a little bit.
We
Yeah,
are the
Experience.
champions of friends.
Against distances.
So I'm back with the cookies where I left off, and it's kind of hard to roll out because it's really cold, and it's also very crumbly, which I'm just assuming is not supposed to happen, so I don't think I'll be passing the next round of the Great British Bake Off.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Sing, choirs of angels, sing in exultation. Sing, all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to
Here's what the little men look like cut up.
in the highest. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore.
So when you roll the cookies, they're supposed to be 1/4 inch. I think mine are pretty fat. And then they go in the oven for 10 minutes. So I was didn't have enough parchment paper. But so mine, I got 18 cookies and one just circle cookie. You want to show your cookie? I like the sweater.
Hmm?
You're being such a good girl, Zoe. Okay, so here's all of our finished gingerbread men. We got this old man over here with his suspenders. Got some, we'll say this is his wife with her Christmas vest. Lots of Christmas sweaters. Got a couple snowmen. And then over here, this guy's got a candy cane. We got a Michigan State guy.
Or maybe I'll go with another train. Third one I've started, actually the fourth one, counting the original.
Seems she has double 11s over there.
Is that 11 now or 12?
That's a
12.
And you just played?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we got 4, 6, and 12. Or I could start another train.
Jeez.
You guys owe me big.
That's a 0. You're down to 2. Okay, I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna do that. So I'm down to 2.
I'm out of.
What?
I'm out
I
of
was
7.
counting on you.
I had 7 of them, something like that. Now what? I'm up.
You're up.
Yeah.
That's 6 over there.
Oh.
Not all bad for me.
No.
Hate to tell you.
Oh my gosh.
And yes, I had double 11s.
You make it so obvious.
Well, sorry.
I had 19.
I would have never guessed it.
Yeah, it doesn't matter if I make it obvious.
That's halfway through. FYI.
Well, you
What
made us
time is
mad last night.
Huh?
I don't know.
25.
The 2 of them made us mad last night.
503.
33.
50.
Let's
52.
play one more.
This is me ending the vlog the next day because I forgot, and I also never opened my advent calendar, so I'll do that right now to end the vlog. Day, what, 13 was yesterday? There we go. Thanks for watching.